Hello, Universe! This is RC Munoz, your iColor Plus correspondent for Miss Universe Philippines Prelims Night.
The good thing about iColor is that they have wide variety of colors. And I think for beauty pageants, mas maganda yung mga darker shades because mas lulutang lang yung beauty mo yan.
Any shade that will bring out their best selves or their best you would be the best shade. But of course, if I were to pick one, it would be black, natural black, or black brown. You know, para mas Filipina lang and because we're Miss Universe Philippines anyway.
So stay tuned to find out who will be crowned as Miss Greatland's iColor Plus 2024. Stay in the loop on iColor Plus Facebook and Instagram pages. I'll see you!